To support a holistic approach to service management, ITIL defines 4 dimensions that collectively are critical to the effective and efficient facilitation of value for customers and other stakeholders in the form of products and services. These are organizations and people, information and technology, partners and suppliers, value streams and processes. These 4 dimensions represent perspectives which are relevant to the whole service value system, including the entirety of the service value chain and all ITIL practices. The 4 dimensions are constrained or influenced by several external factors that are often beyond the control of the service value system. The 4 dimensions and the relationships between them are represented in Figure 3.1. It is important to note that the 4 dimensions of service management apply to all services being managed, as well as to the service value system in general. It is therefore essential that these perspectives should be considered for every service, and that each one should be addressed when managing and improving the service value system at all levels. An overview of the 4 dimensions is provided in the following 4 lessons. A more detailed guidance on addressing the dimensions in practice will be found in future ITIL 4 publications.